Hello all, I am Dr. Prabhas Sanjanmal. Today we will discuss some new types of DFA construction. Okay. The question is like this: design a DFA that accepts all strings. Design a DFA that accepts all strings. Start with A and end with B. Start with A and end with B. See here, start with A and end with B. We have already discussed about the DFA, the construction of DFA likes starting and ending. We have already discussed in the previous class. If you have any doubt on start and ending, how to construct the DFA for start and end, you can also follow my previous classes. Okay. Now start with A here. Start with A and end with B. That means it is just the combination of start and end. Means it is just the combination of start and end. It is just the combination of start and end. Okay. For example, like if any string always start with A and end with B. Start with A and end with B. Means in the middle we can take any number of alphabets. Means here the input alphabet is like A comma B. The input alphabet is like A comma B. Means okay, we can take any number of A's and B's in the middle. Any number of A's or B. Any number of A's or B. Okay, we can take any number of A's or B. Right. So every string must start with A and B. For example, like A, this is an invalid string. A, B, S, this one is a valid string because this string starts with A and end with B. Suppose B, A, this is an invalid string because this string does not start with A and B. Suppose A, B, B, S, this string start with A and end with B. One more is A, B, S, this string starts with A and end with B. Okay. Now let's see the construction. How to construct the DFA. First one is the start. Start means always requires, start means this DFA always requires dead state. Okay. Okay, see here. Q0 here. Start with A and end with B. What is the minimum string is here? Minimum string is AB. The minimum string is AB. Q0 reads A, means Q0 is my initial symbol. This one is the Q1. This is P. This is Q2. Okay. This string is the start with A and end with B. Okay. Now we'll adjust the alphabets. Now we'll adjust the transitions according to DFA rule. This string must start with A and end with B. Start with A and end with B. If the string start with B, if the string cannot, remember the string cannot start with B. If the string start with B, that will go to dead state. That will go to dead state. QT. AB. If the string start with B, that will go to dead state. Okay. AB. Q1 already reads B. Okay, the Q1. Okay, the remaining alphabet is here. The remaining alphabet is here. A. Q1 will read A because Q1 already reads B, right? Okay. First thing, can I take A is here? Can I take A on the same state? Yes, because we can take any number of A's. We can take any number. This is my start with A. This is my start with B. Sorry, end with B. We can take any number of A's in the middle. So that's why I'll take A on the Q1 state. Okay. Next one is the Q2 state. First thing, see here, can I take B on the same state like Q2? Yes. Can I take B alphabet on the same state like Q2? Yes. Why? Because we can take, this is the A, this is B. We can take any number of B's, in the last, any number, because every string must, see here, every string must start with A and end with B. Every string must start with A and end with B. So we can take any number of B's on the last. So B is a self loop and B will stay on the Q2 state. Okay. If A will come, can I take A on the Q2 state? No. If I will take A, sorry. If I will take A on Q2 state, the string will end with A. B, sorry, the string will end with A. So I will not take, because A, B, A. The string may generate like this: A, B, A. A, this is A, this is B, and this is A. The string may generate like this: A, B, A. So I can't take A on Q2 state. So I can take A2 on Q2 state. Okay, so it will go back to Q1 state. So it will go back to Q1 state. Okay, hope all of you understand this this construction of DFA. If any doubt, you can ask through the comment box. Okay, the next question. The next question. Start and end with different symbols. Start and end with different symbols. That means what? Start and end with different symbols over the given alphabet A, comma B, right? Over the given alphabet A, comma B. Start, what is the meaning of this question? Start and end with different symbols. Means if a string start with A, it must be end with B. In the middle, any number of A's or B's may become. Or if a string start with B, that must be end with A. That's it. Start and end with different symbols. Start and end with different symbols. If the string start with A, end with B. If the string start with B, it must be end with A. Okay. Just see the previous question. This string, this string start with this string. Sorry, this DFA is start with A and end with B. Okay, but this DFA is start with A and it will end with B, or if it start with B, end with A. Okay, so it is the combination of this one. It is the combination of this DFA. Okay, how to combine? See here. Just copy this DFA. Just copy this DFA here. Q0. Just copy this DFA. Except dead state. Just copy this DFA. Copy the above DFA. Except dead state. Okay. Now we'll copy this DFA. This is Q0 state. This is Q1 state. This is Q2 state, means final state. This is A. This is A. This is B. This is B. This is A. Okay. This diagram is for upper part. Means if it will start with A, it must be end with B. Okay. Now we'll draw for the second part. Second part is completely similar to like this. Like Q3 is gone, Q4 and Q5. Right? Simply just exchange, all transitions are same, just simply exchange the alphabets. Just here B, this is a loop like here it is A, means here it is B. Since it is B, means here it is A. Since it is A, means here it is B. Since it is B, means here it is A. Okay. So if the string start with A, it must be end with B. Here the string is start with A and end with B. If the string start with B, it must be end with A. It is just the combination of above DFA. That's why. Okay. Hope all of you understand. If any doubt, you can ask through any questions, any types of questions through comment box. Okay. The next question. Start and end with same symbol. Okay. Start and end with same symbol. What is the meaning of this? Means if a string start with A, it must be end with B. If a string start with B, it must be end with B. What is the minimum string here? The minimum string is simply A, or the minimum string is simply B, because A is a string that start with A and also end with B. B is a string that start with A and also end with B. Okay, we can also check some similar types of examples or similar types of strings. Suppose A, yes, it is a valid string because it starts with A, end with B. Suppose A, B, A, yes, it starts with A and end with B, means same symbol, so it is a valid. A, B, B, it is invalid because it starts with A and end with B. Suppose simply A, yes, it is a valid string because it starts with A and also end with B. Simple B, yes, it is a valid string because it starts with A and end with B. Suppose BAB, yes, it is a valid string because it starts with B and end with B. BABB, yes, it is a valid string because it starts with B and end with B. Okay, how to draw this DFA? What is the minimum string here? The minimum string is here A, or minimum string is here B. It is a Q0 state, Q1 state, sorry, Q1 state. This is final state A. This is the minimum string, right? This is Q2. This is B. Okay. Okay. Now just draw the minimum length string. Okay. If it is start with A, it ends with B. Okay. Now we'll adjust the transitions according to DFA rule. Okay. Q0 start with A and Q0 already reads A and B. Here input alphabet is A comma B. Input alphabet is A comma B. Here this type of triple A, it must be it starts with A and end with A. So any number of A's and any number of A's may be a valid string. So I can take here A. Okay. This type of strings may be generated, but this is a valid string. Many number of bits. So I can take B on the Q2 state. Okay. Right. ABA is a valid string. So since ABA is a valid string, so let this state is called Q4, A, then B, then A. ABA. This is a valid string. Suppose A, many number of B's may come. This is a valid string. This string may be generated. So how to generate A, B? This is A, B, multiple number of B's. So B is a self loop here. A, 1B, 2B, 1B, 2B, 3B, then A will go to Q1 state. Similarly, okay, triple B come, okay, BAB is a valid string. BAB is a valid string. Here B, then let this state is called Q5 state. B, A, then B. B, B, A, B is a valid string. So B, many number of A's. Suppose 4 number of A and B is a valid string. So how to draw? B, 1B, 1A, first A, then it is a loop, second A, third A, fourth A, then goes to B. Okay. Hope all of you understand. This type of DFA means start and it is a combination of start and end symbols. If any doubt, you can ask to the comment box. Okay. Okay. Thanks for today's class, and also thanks for watching.